On the Chapter 2 project, if I'm going to write an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, a linear model of the buildings and their heights, then I need to know, where's the thing? I need to have the table filled in that shows the buildings. Well, you don't need the name of the buildings to do this, but you need the number of floors and the heights. So I'm just going to make these up. I'm going to say that my building has 38 floors and it's, I'm totally making this up, 400 feet tall. I don't even know if this is one of the tallest buildings. And one of my other ones I'm going to say has 50 floors and it's 582 feet tall. And again, making this up, random information. So these are the floors. And I believe that was supposed to be x, and these are the heights, and that's supposed to be my y. Let me just double check that I have the x and y part correct. Yeah, floors is x and height is y. So this is slope. Slope is the difference in the y values over the difference in the x values. So I'm going to use my made-up numbers to find out what my slope is. So I'm going to take 582 minus 400 over, that's the difference in the y values, over the difference in the x's would be 50 minus 38. And then I'll simplify that, and 582 minus 400 is 182, and 50 minus 38 is 12. And then I'm going to calculate that as a decimal, so it's not so hard to work with. So I've got 182 divided by 12 is 15.16, so I'll say 15.2. That's my slope. So right here, that's going to go 15.2. Now to find b, I'm going to pick an x and a y. I guess I'll use this one, it doesn't really matter. I'll use that x is 38 and that y is 400. And then I'll solve this and try to figure out what b is. So I'm going to plug in 15.2 times, I can't see my equation. Let me see if I can move this calculator over a little bit. Calculator, there we go. It was times 38, okay, times 38, whoops. Okay, 15.2 times 38 is equal to 577.6. 577.6. I don't think my numbers are very accurate, looking at what other people got for this. This doesn't make a whole lot of sense, this equation. And then I'm going to take 400 minus that, and I'm going to get a negative something. So I'm going to take 400, whoa, not 4,000, 400 minus 577.6, which is negative 177.6. This is a kind of a too big of a number for accuracy's sake. So now my linear model of this bad model would be 15.2 x minus 177.6. That means that if I wanted to find the height of a building, I could put in how many floors here, multiply by 15.2, subtract 177.6, and I would get an estimate of how many or how high that building was. The reason I say this is kind of weird, that means that every floor is 15.2 feet high, but then I would have to subtract 177.6. So if I had a one-story building, I would be at like negative, 160 something, which is weird. I had to go way down into the hole of the ground to get to there. But your numbers will probably make more sense, hopefully. But if not, I could use this to answer the rest of Activity 1. At least I have my linear model here. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks a lot. Bye.